Hi, I'm Vijay Krishna, Assistant Professor in Department of Mechanical Engineering, Institute of Aeronautical Engineering. Today we will discuss about electrical and electronics machine shop. In this we will do two experiments. One is series connection and another is staircase wiring or one bulb controlled by two switches. In house wiring, we will learn some basic connection, how to make some basic connection like how to connect a bulb and switch and how to connect a tube light, like basic connections you will get over here. In our syllabus we have two experiments. One is series connection and another is staircase wiring. Okay, series connection is nothing but connecting two bulbs in a series. Side by side, we will connect the two bulbs in two-way. Before going to the in-depth experiment, we will discuss about the tools initially. Okay. Generally, we will be using different types of wires are available over here. If the wires are differentiated with the help of their gauges. Okay. This we will call as a 18 by 8 gauge wire is this one, and this is used for tester, which is used to test the supply of power in the circuit. And in this way, just now I told the different gauges will be there. Okay, this is wire gauge measurement. You will be measuring in this. Okay, this is screwdriver, and this is a poker for making the holes in the walls or board. Okay, this is cutting plier. This is cutting plier. Okay, which is used for holding the wires while passing the power. Okay, this is what we'll call as a strip remover. It is used for removing the strips in this. Okay, first we will see the series connection over here. For series connection, you need to be having the two bulbs. Two bulbs or three bulbs or four bulbs, any bulbs are there. We will try to demonstrate with the help of the two bulbs. Okay, you might have seen a holder in your model call previously. A holder, you will be having backside two pins will be there at the backside of the holder. Same pins we are placed over here. Okay, this is the two back pins of this holder, and these two pins are back pins of the holder. Okay, because it is a fixed one, we can't remove this one every time and we have to check, so we are placed over here. This is nothing but the two pins of this holder. Okay, two holders are there. Now here two pins are there, here two pins are there, and this is the switch, one way switch we will call. In switch, at the back side of the switch also you will be having two pins. You might have noticed that one. That two pins only we are supported over here. Okay, now what we have to do, take the wires, suitable wires, see here, you will be getting these two pins will be there, and these two pins will be there, and these two pins will be there. First, you need to connect the two bulbs internally with the help of wires over there. Okay. First, suppose 1, 2, 3, 4 are there. You need to connect 2 and 3. Here knob will be there. You need to rotate the knob so that you will get the pin over here. Once place the wire and what will call turn the knob so that it will be tight. Same way, here you will be getting knob, another knob over there, and place the wire in that knob. Now see here, you are connected. This is phase neutral of the two individual bulb. Then neutral to phase we are connecting nothing but we are making the connection over here. Another, you will be having the switch here for here also phase neutral will be there. Strips, wires, you need to remove the strips over there. Now you need to connect this phase to this one. Now we will be doing the first experiment in the house wiring, that is nothing but the series connection. For doing the series connection experiment, you need to have the two bulbs or three bulbs, four bulbs, you can connect number of bulbs. But in this setup we have only two bulbs, so we will do the series connection over there. Okay. Here, in order to make the series connection, you need to have the holders. Two holders will be there. Two bulbs you have to there, and one-way switch will be there. Okay. This is single phase current forming. This is here. The voltage will be 240 volts will be there. Okay. At household purposes, we will be using 2-volt purpose, and industrial purpose we will be using three-phase wiring. Okay. This is single phase wiring which has a 220 volts. Okay. Now see here, every holder have a two screws or two pins at the back side of that one. That pins we are placed over here in order to avoid every time removing the holder and checking. So we have made these two pins here available here. The switch also you will be having the two pins, same pins we are placed over here. Okay. Now you need to connect. For every bulb, this is phase and this is a neutral, this is phase and this is a neutral. Okay. For holder also you will be having the phase and the neutral. This is the phase and this is the neutral. Now we will try to connect the connections. First you take the negative neutral of the switch to the phase of the bulb 1. And knob will be there, inside knob we are placed that one and we have to rotate, this is neutral. Okay, then we are connecting to the face of the bulb 1. You can tie it over here or you can place it over here. Then neutral to the face, then we are connecting and these from face we are connected neutral to face, then neutral to face again you have to connect over here. Now this to this you have to connect it over here. Okay, first initially from neutral to face, then neutral to face, then this neutral will be there and this two face will be there. Here if the strips are not sufficient, you have to remove with the strip remover. This is not your cutting player, which is used for cutting material. This is only to removing the strip. Wire cutter. Wire strip remover, we will call this one. Only we have to remove the skin on the wire. You will get the strip over here. connect this one to the face. Now this one we are giving to the main supply. From the switch, one switch we are giving to the main supply. Okay. In another knob here, neutral is empty. This neutral has to go to the face from the main power supply. Larger wire is required from here to here. Okay, this one we have to go to the this neutral is given to the face to the main supply. This is about what we call series connection. To check this connection is correct or not, then we have to go for the power supply. Okay? Once the power supply is given, we have to switch on this one. Both the bulbs will be glowing. Okay? This is about the series connection. Both the bulbs will be glowing. This is about series connection. Next experiment we will be discussing about the staircase wiring. Now we will be doing the second experiment we will call as the staircase wiring or two-way switch. Okay. In a previous connection, you have noticed the switch will be there at the back side of normal switches. You will be having only two pins will be there. In general, what we see in the practical. But in some cases, switches will be having the three pins over there. This is one pin. At the back side of this switch, you will be having three pins, 1, 2, 3. That one we will call as a two-way switch. This two-way switch is used in what we will call staircase wiring. Staircase wiring is nothing but what we call at the steps we will be there. At the top of the roof, you will be having the bulb, and the steps will be at the entry position of the gate will be there. Once we will switch on here, and to switch off this bulb again, we will not come to the steps. We will switch off that bulb at our doorstep. Okay, nothing but one bulb controlling by two switches. That we will call as a staircase wiring or two-way switching. And recently, all this type of technology is used in bedrooms. In the both the side, you will be having the switchboard. You can switch on the bulb and off the bulb from the two sides of the corner beds. Okay. For this one, you need to have the two-way switches and one single bulb will be there. One bulb we are controlling with the two switches. Okay. Now let me see how to make the connections here. Okay. Initially, main ये कपड़े ये मुंडू local ये रोंड connection 1 2 1 2
నాకు దాని చేస్తాను నువ్వు చెప్తావు సిస్టమ్ ఉంటుంది అది ఏం చేస్తున్నాడు
You will be having the three pins for switches. Okay. You are connecting face to the neutral from top 1 to bottom 1 of switch 3. Okay. Then bottom knob of the what we will call first switch to top of the second switch. Okay, cross connections will be given to you. Now the middle knobs, nothing but neutral, are connected to the phase wire. Phase wire of the first switch or bulb you can connect. Only one bulb is used in this one. and the main supply is connected to the neutral of the switch 1, and the neutral of the bulb is connected to neutral face of the second switch. Now this is about the connection. Now we will check the connection with the power on. Okay, we are switched on at one switch and we can off at another switch. Okay, like that. In two way we are controlling bulb. Switch on at first switch and switch off at second switch. Okay, like that you can control the one bulb with the help of two switches. This one we will call as a staircase wiring or two-way switch wiring. Okay, this is about the house wiring.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.